Okay, so I wanted to show you how to do the logging the contact. Let's say we want to talk to Etty's family. Um, so we talk to them, and so to make a record of it, you click on her, and then you do log contact, and then you say who you talked to, and then today I sent a text message, and I sent a positive text to parents about her good work in social studies, which I actually did today because she is killing it. So then I logged the contact. And then if you want to check if it worked, or if you want to check, it's really helpful to check who else contacted them. You open up the kid, and then you can go to contact log, and then you can see who has talked to them. So it looks like actually twice that I've talked to them, and then it's a collection of all the contact that teachers have had since the kid has been at our school. So we're trying to keep a record of who we talk to about any problems. So yeah, you just click on her and go to log contact, and then you can keep a record of it. Okay, I hope that helps.